So what I've done, the front of just assemble the lights off camera. So just all I did, assemble the lights off camera, and I've removed the linear actuator from here. I'm going to use it for the steering. I've got two new ones coming tomorrow I'm going to use for this bit. But just assemble the lights off camera and refit into your front. Because I have to pull it back off to put the lights in. Because I have to drill hole there and there and then put the wires through. But that's all I did. Now front is finished. Just need to paint these yellow, but the front is finished for the time being. What's next? Rear. So I'm gonna assemble the rear now tonight. I'm gonna do some soldering for the rear axle. And I might need to put a few bearings in as well. Here's the next one. So I think these bearings, there's one go here, one go here. So this mostly is the rear section, apart from the detailing bits. So let's get started. As you've seen the video before, because I forgot to put the weights in. Now I put the weights in and forgot to leave a bit of room for the wires, but I'll figure a way. I will figure something out. Yeah, I always do. So that's it. Weights in. So heavy. Now let's carry on with the assembling.